Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to post display on Pinterest. Okay, so when you are on your Pinterest page, come here on the left panel, click on create, and then you can go ahead and choose a file or drag and drop it here. So what I'll go ahead and do is drag and drop. I will go ahead and choose this image right here. It's really nice. Drag and drop. Now, you can add a title for this image, a description, okay, a link. So let me go ahead and do that in tagged topics. You can get this from Displate as well. So if I come here to upload my artwork, I'll show you what you need to do. Make sure it meets these requirements displayed there. So if I click on upload artwork, you'll be able to see that. And you can basically use Pinterest to promote your display. Okay, so let me drag and drop it right here. Okay, there we go. Title, horse in a field. That's perfect. I'll paste that. Description. I'll go ahead and copy all of this right here. You can add a link just like that. There we go. You can choose a board if you have one, or you can create your own board. Let's go ahead and do cute animals. Okay. And then go ahead and click on create. And then you can add tag topics, for example, horse. Okay. And then painting, right? Or artwork. You can do that. Your canvas painting, artwork, landscape, like visual art, right? Then you can go ahead and as many tags as you can. Then you basically will be uploading it. You can go ahead and check more options. Then when you're done, just go ahead and publish. And there we go. Now, if I go to my profile, people will be able to see this post, and they will also be able to access the link to this. Okay, just come here and click on a visit site, and they will be redirected to your display page. Really that easy and simple, as you can see, redirected to this page.